Edo State government don launch the citizen residency card on Friday and consider the target to issue 1 million cards to Edo citizens before the fourth quarter of 2024. Governor Obaseki launched this residency card for the 2022 Alagodao Investment Summit when the theme na Edo's Transformation, Partnership, Resilience, Impact. Sarah Nsangbedo Ajose Adeogun will be the special advisor for strategy, policy, projects and performance management, and head of service for Edo State Anthony Okungbawa Esquire took mount on top the residency card and constantly present copy of the residency card to Governor Godwin Obaseki.
Today we are unveiling the Edo State Citizens Residency Card. We've all been here today and we've heard about all the wonderful things we are trying to achieve in Edo. None of that would be possible if we do not have data with which to plan. To show that we are a forward-looking government and we are insistent on meeting our objectives in making Edo great again, we are in the process of registering all Edo State citizens. And this will give us the data to enable us plan effectively for the future that we want. A lot of businesses are coming in. A lot of development is taking place. How do we position ourselves and our people to take advantage of those opportunities? That is why we are gathering information today. There are a lot of state-funded projects, state-funded investments where we need our people to be able to take advantage of it. And we know that as we grow and expand as a state, as all of these laudable and wonderful ideas begin to crystallize, we are going to have an influx of people in Edo State. And when that happens, how do we identify our people? So the Edo State Residency Card enables us to do so. And the registration has already started. It's going around the 18 local governments. In each local government council, there is a desk to register our people so that we know you and you know us. Social investment progress. We have the Edo State Health Insurance Scheme. We want to be able to reach the poorest of the poor. For all those who have their NIN numbers, you can actually register for this online. Just go to the Edo State government website and you will see the link to register. Once you put in your NIN and your numbers, it will generate your residency identification number, which is what we all really need. For all those who do not have online access, you can register in the local government offices. In the 18 local government offices across the state, you can register. Also, for the next 6 weeks, we will be going around in different schools. We will be announcing it on radio as we register in different schools. So if you listen to the radio, you can come to any of the schools. Currently, we are in Iwiore Primary School, Ebenezer Primary School in Edo State. Please, if you do not have access to internet, you can register in your local government offices.
The Residency Card Project is one of the several innovative projects of the governor that have changed the face of governance in Edo State. I'd like to hand over to you, sir, the very first card of this project. It is our prayer that God in His infinite mercy will prosper this project so that it can achieve the objectives that you set out for it. Thank you, and God bless you, sir.
Governor Obaseki went talk say people when they do, they estimated to reach 5 million people, but government no know them. Obaseki went talk say go hard for people to get government service without this card. Constant talk say this government they target to issue 1 million cards before they come out for office for 2024.
Today, before you, we are launching the Edo State Residency Card. Today, we estimate that we have about 5 million people who live and reside in our state, but we don't know them. The purpose of this card, which has been designed in partnership with some of our financial partners, is to make sure that before I leave office, we issue a minimum of 1 million of these cards to our citizens. The cards will come in different forms. Some will have an electronic purse, so people can use them for their financial transactions, and some would be for students. The policy is that you may not be able to interact with government services in Edo if you do not have the residency card. No child will be accepted in our schools if we don't know their parents. They all have to be registered as residents. This residency card is linked to the your national identity card under the NIMSI scheme. So we're using the same algorithms as NIMSI to issue these cards so that we have one single form of identity, just like in most countries. I want to implore all citizens of Edo to go out there and register themselves so that they can be issued with this card. You may not have the need for the card physically, but you must have your identity number so that we know you, and in every document, in every interaction with us, that number will be quoted. You cannot get land in Edo, you cannot register your building approvals, you cannot interact with government, you cannot get health insurance if we don't know you and we don't know where you live in our states. On that note, I have the singular pleasure to now formally launch the Edo State Residency Card.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. No forget your PVC and your power. Not tell I'm giving any politician on election day.